Welcome back, everybody. So glad that you are here with me today. Walter here in the basement, and I'm contemplating a project. And as you can see, the lighting isn't terrific, but I have this plastic shelf we used for pantry items over the years, and the shelves have all bent. I don't have a straight edge with me, but I'd say I'm down a good 3/4 of an inch in the middle. So nothing stands upright properly. So here's what I'm contemplating. I mean, we all buy these plastic shelving units because they're cheap and they're plastic. So plastic is a good choice for a basement environment because they will not pick up moisture and hold moisture. So they're a non-organic material. Now, one of the thoughts I had was to just cut pieces of plywood that fit on top of the shelf and notch them into the corner, screwing up into them from below, but I have a funny feeling I would only bend the plywood. And then I'm also looking at a 2x3 piece of plywood for each and every shelf. So if I'm going to do that, I might as well just get some more wood and build a wood framed structure to support the brand new plywood and properly support it so it will not sag. I probably should have done this when it was 100 degrees outside so I could put these out in the sun and get them soft and pliable. Maybe put some 2x4s underneath them. Another thought I had was if I took the center and from the bottom on up, put a center support like a T all the way through. And then when the weight of the pantry items go back on it, it'll pull down the right and left side on that center item. What do you think? Is it worth messing with this, or should I just recycle it for the plastic and either go out and buy a new shelf unit made of steel or build one out of wood? We are woodworkers after all. So that's about it, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. I look forward to your opinion. But as I get older, I will say this much. I have a greater and greater disdain, dislike, hatred for plastic. Walter out.